Welcome back, everybody. We're about to go over today's trade, the February 5th of 2/6. But we'll go replay here real quick. We'll go market open. So we had market open here. Very first candle of market open, we did see that it looked bearish. That we would have a liquidity sweep here. A lot of people would have taken this trade, a liquidity sweep here, some sort of maybe inverse or like a change in the stay off of here maybe, or even here to a little right there. But that wasn't my strategy, so I just waited. We also see that there was something here that people could have caught. It was on the 1 minute, so I would really highly doubt it, because unless you're gonna do this inverse for Valley Gap, maybe. Actually no. Actually, yeah, no. Cut SMT. Oh, look, it could have took this. I ain't gonna lie. What am I even talking about? I didn't even see this. Wow. SMT here, liquidity sweep. SMT here, inverse of this gap, and then go bullish. And then go to TP here. Wow. I'm actually like redoubting that I wasn't on market open. How did I not catch this? This is why, important lesson here. This is why you should back test. You should record your trades. Talk to yourself while trading, so you see stuff that you don't see during pre-market or market open, and then you're able to see it stuff. Or it could just be me being blind, low key. But it's just better to talk about it through, because you could be missing a trade if you haven't seen it, because if that's not what you're looking for. But hey, we still got a winning day today. That's all that matters. But yeah. Okay. But anyways, we see that it respects this gap to go higher. So perfect trade. Wow. Okay. Anyways, then we get this engulfing large bearish candlestick. And then with that, we wait a couple minutes. Not even a minute. Like 3 minutes. Sorry guys, my nose is runny. Wait 3 minutes to make that SMT right there off of this. That SMT right there off of this. Then we see, now after this, we want to see, because you don't see no fair value gaps here. There are no other fair value gaps, because why you wouldn't count this one? Because this wick right there came back down here, so there is no gap. But there we do see this bullish fair value gap right here. So we're waiting for this to see if we get it, to see if we were gonna respect it, or if we're actually gonna go lower. Okay, we went lower, and then we went higher, and this is about to be doing it for like a good couple minutes. Price action in the morning with the 1 minute was always kind of choppy, but then we finally saw a little movement down. Bang. Candlestick closed under here. I entered. Well, it didn't close. I saw that go under close. I knew we were gonna close, but I did see that it came back, went over here more, but I did enter there, because I just like top trader, even though he missed this one right there, he knows what he's doing. But we see after it closes under, we saw a little change in state, then go lower, and we're just gonna go lower, bam, break even, mover stops to break even, bang, and then we get, this is where it was kind of looking kind of scary, because I was like, damn, we just need this shit to respect real quick. And then we see that it did. Bam, full TP, crazy trade. I'm like actually low-key regretting not trading this whole week, because if we traded this whole week, that is 4 wins in a row. 4 wins in a row. We won Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We won with full TP on all of them. Like, it's crazy. But it's alright. We'll see you next time. Alright. And that's basically much it. You know, saw that there. And then also, we could have, like I said, I think we could have went down here for maybe still 2.2, and it still would have hit. And yeah, but that's not the case. That's not what we did. But this whole time, market was just going low until it made like some sort of like it made something around here low key, cause yeah, I made something around here, but it low key kind of went on a little bull rush real quick, somewhere around here. Yeah, there you go. And then you just saw that, so I don't know what happened here. Maybe. No, not really. No. There wasn't really much. Low key. Yeah. Well, there was much, to be honest. I'm lucky just tripping. But anyways, that was looking at the trade, but market open just went down. I think it does crash over here though. Just for a bit until market closes. But maybe I'm joking to you. Maybe it doesn't crash. No, not really. Ah, there it goes. There you go. I was right. But yeah, closes there. But anyways, this is looking at the trade. Not bad. Works for me. I literally just showed it twice. I could literally do that. But you know, that's how it be. That's how it is. But yeah, see you boys later.